nandito kami sa Iran, sa Kish. Yan. May tumatawag.
Did you know that he was kept out by the hotel? And he slept outside the hotel? Yes. Did you know that?
Stay.
You did not know that? No. Yes. And then by 2 months, and according to this staff, according to this sleeping staff by group, Abby, they were asked by our HR to pay 2,000 dirhams for the visa. Yeah, they paid. You know that? This was sleeping staff. But right now, Jitil and Abby go to India because we know already. That's why no, this is not fighting back, but it's just letting know that why they're going to ask money.
Wow, grabe, putik. Grabe, yun. Lalim. Parang may nahulog na meteorites. Kish.